Alright, let's talk about the fun stuff. Or, well, not so fun if you are on the receiving end. I'm talking about the different types of threats out there in the digital world. Now, don't panic. I'm going to break this down so it's easy to understand. First up, we have got phishing. You know those shady emails that pretended to be your bank or a company you trust? Yeah, that's phishing. Cyber criminals try to phish for your personal info, like your passwords or credit card numbers. It's sneaky but totally avoidable. More on that in a minute. Next, we have malware. Think of malware like a virus for your computer. You might download something that seems harmless, but boom, it's secretly doing all sort of nasty stuff in the background, like stealing your data or slowing down your device. Nobody wants that, right? Hey, want to protect your data from cyber threats? My information security course is perfect for beginners and pros. Learn key skills and boost your security. Click the link or scan the QR code to enroll now. And then there's ransomware. This one's a real kicker. Imagine a hacker gets into your system, locks up your files and says, "Pay me money or you will never see your data again." Crazy, right? It happens more often than you think. But hey, don't worry, I've got your back. Let's talk about how to stay safe from these threats. So how do you keep ourselves safe from all these cyber threats? It's easier than you think actually. Let me give you a few tips that you can start using right away. First, let's tackle phishing. The number one rule here, don't click on sketchy links. Always check the sender's email address and hover over links before you click them to see where they really lead. And remember, if it feels fishy, pun intended, don't engage. For malware, keep your antivirus software updated. It's like having a security guard for your computer. Don't download random files or programs from sites you don't trust. And avoid clicking on pop-ups that say things like, "You have won a prize." Spoiler, you probably didn't win anything. Now for ransomware, back up your files regularly. If your data is backed up, you don't have to worry about losing it. Also, avoid opening suspicious attachment, especially from people you don't know. Also, a big one. Use strong, unique password for each of your accounts. And if you can, enable two-factor authentication. We'll talk more about this later. But it basically adds an extra layer of protection for your accounts. Hey, want to protect your data from cyber threats? My information security course is perfect for beginners and pros. Learn key skills and boost your security. Click the link or scan the QR code to enroll now. At the end of the day, staying safe is about being alert and cautious. If something doesn't feel right, trust your instincts. With a little bit of care and awareness, you can avoid most of the nasty stuff out there. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Thank you.